welcome to SDC. Today's topic is languages. So let us get started with today's topic. Moita will be presenting first.
Languages chosen by Moita of SDC. Languages, the principal method of human communication consisting of words used in a structured and conventional way and conveyed by speech, writing, or gesture is called languages. My topic is Tamil. So let us see what is about it. Tamil. Tamil. About is a Dravidian language natively spoken by the Tamil people of South Asia. Tamil is official language of a Indian state of Tamil Nadu, as well as two sovereign nations, Singapore and Sri Lanka. In India, it is also the official language of the Union Territory of Puducherry. Tamil is spoken by significantly minorities in the four other South Indian states of Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Telangana, and the Union Territory of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. It is spoken by the Tamil diaspora found in many countries, including Malaysia, South Africa, United Kingdom, United States, Canada, and Australia. Tamil is also natively spoken by Sri Lankan Moors. Tamil letters: A, I, U, E, I, O, Au, K, Ng, T, Ñ, T, T, N, P, M, Y, R, L, V, L, R, N, Ja, Sa, Sha, Ha, Sa, Shri. These are the Tamil letters. What I read out now. Same words in Tamil. Say some words in Tamil. Do you know Korean and Tamil are similar? Informal and formal letters we'll see about. Come means va, informal. Vanga is formal. Go. Po is informal. Ponga is formal. Eat. Sapid is informal. Sapdunga is informal. Work. Nada is informal. Nadanga is formal. Run. Od is informal. Odunga is formal. Catch. Pidi is informal. Feedinga is formal. A few words the Korean and Tamil that have the same meaning. Appa, up means father. Abuji, apuchi, grandpa. Umma, amma, mother. Yanni, anni, sister-in-law. Igu, idu, this. Nal, nal, day. Jogum, jogum. Konjam, konjam, little bit. Yenyon, unne, one. Aigu, ayo. Expression of surprise. Tamil history. According to linguists like Bharadiraja Krishnamurti, Tamil as a Dravidian language descends from Proto-Dravidian, a proto-language. Linguistic reconstruction suggests that Proto-Dravidian was spoken around the 3rd millennium BC, possible in the region around the lower Godavari River, basin in peninsular India. The material evidence suggests the speakers of Proto-Dravidian were a culture associated with the Neolithic complexes of South India. The earliest epigraphic attempts of India are generally taken to have been written from 2nd century BC. Among Indian languages, Tamil has the most ancient non-Sanskritic Indian literature. School scholars categorize the attested history of the language into three periods. Old Tamil 300 BC 700, Middle Tamil 700 to 1600, and Modern Tamil 6000 and to this present. In November 2007, in excavation at Quran al-Qudam revealed Egyptian pottery dating back to 1st century with ancient Tamil Brahi inscriptions. John Guy states the Tamil with Lunga stands for early maritime trades from India. This is like the old Tamil script. Thank you. That's all.
Let us
Thank
give
you.
her a digital applause. So I'm going to present next. I'm Dhruti of SDC going to present next. Scientists of Daud Complex, Sanskrit by Dhruti of SDC. Sanskrit is an ancient Indian language. It is a sacred language of Hinduism, Buddhism, and Jainism, and the origin of most Indian languages. Today, about 14,000 people in India use it as their daily language. It is one of the 22 official languages of India and an official language of the state of Uttarakhand. Sanskrit is a standardized uh, dialect of dialect of Old Indo-Aryan. Its linguistic ancestry can be traced back to Proto-Indo-European. The Indo the Indo-Aryan migration theory proposes that the Indo-Aryans migrated from the Central Asian steppes into South Asia during the early part of second millennium BC, bringing with them the Indo-Aryan languages. The main script used to write Sanskrit is Devanagari, but it can be written in the scripts of various Indian languages and is sometimes written by the Latin alphabet. William Jones, working as a judge in India in the 18th century, studied Sanskrit and recognized similarities of Sanskrit with Latin and Greek. Sanskrit literature includes poetry and drama. There is also scientific, technical, philosophical, and religious texts. Sanskrit continues to be widely used as a ceremonial language in Hindu religious rituals and Buddhist practice in the form of hymns and chants. The language has a very complex grammar with 8 grammatical cases, the grammatical genders, and 3 grammatical numbers. So this is how Sanskrit text looks like. This is from ancient India scripts. Sanskrit alphabets writing. It's just like Hindi, which is one of the Indian languages. E, U, I, O, Re, An, Aha, Na, Na, Yaralava, Saha, and Kshatra, Gna, Shri Om. Some of the common words and sentences used in Sanskrit. Namo Namaha. It means greetings or namaste. Mama Nam Dhruti. My name is Dhruti. Or you can use some other name instead of my name Dhruti over here. Tav Nam Kim Asti. What is your name? And here question mark. Tvam, Tvam Katamasi. How are you? Punaha Milamaha. See you later. Aham Vidyalayam Gachami. I'm going to school. So I would like to say 2 sentences in Sanskrit. Namo Namaha Mama Nam Dhruti Mahyam SDC Rochate. Dhanyavadaha. Thank you.
Claps for Jyoti. Amazing.
Thank you, guys.
Spanish. Spanish or Castilian is a Romance language that originated in the Iberian Peninsula of Europe. Today, it is a global language with nearly 500 million native speakers, mainly in Spain and the Americas. It is the world's second most spoken native language after Mandarin Chinese and the world's fourth most spoken language after English. Mandarin Chinese and the world's fourth most spoken language after English, Mandarin Chinese, and Hindi. Spanish is a part of the Ibero-Romance group of languages of the Indo-European language family, which evolved from several dialects of Vulgar Latin in Iberia after the collapse of the Western Roman Empire in the 5th century. The oldest Latin texts with traces of Spanish come from mid-northern Iberia in the 9th century, and the first systematic written use of the language happened in Toledo, a prominent city of the Kingdom of Castile. In the 13th century, beginning in 1492, the Spanish language was taken to the viceroyalties of the Spanish Empire, most notably to the Americas as well as territories in Africa and Oceania and the Philippines. The Romance languages, less commonly Latin languages or Neo Latin languages, are modern languages that evolved from Vulgar Latin. One second. That evolved from Vulgar Latin between the 3rd and 8th centuries. They are subgroups of the dialect languages in the Indo-European language family. A 1949 study by Italian-American linguist Mario Pei, analyzing the degree of difference from a language's parent, Latin in the case of Romance languages, by comparing phonology, inflection, syntax, vocabulary, and intonation, indicated the following percentages. The higher the percentage, the greater the distance from Latin. In the case of Spanish, it is one of the closest Romance languages to Latin, 20% distance, only behind Sardinian, 8% distance, and Italian, 12% distance. Around 75% of modern Spanish vocabulary is derived from Latin, including Latin borrowings from ancient Greek. Spanish vocabulary has been in contact with Arabic from an early date. Having developed during the Al-Andalus era in Iberian Peninsula, and around 8% of its vocabulary has an Arabic lexical root, it has also been influenced by Basque, Iberian, Celtiberian, Visigothic, and other neighboring Ibero-Romance languages. Additionally, it has absorbed vocabulary from other languages, particularly other Romance languages, French, Italian, Andalusi Romance, Portuguese, Galician, Catalan, Ossetian, and Sardinian, as well as from Quechua, Nahuatl, and other indigenous languages of the Americas. Spanish is one of the 6 languages of the United Nations and the third most spoken language in the world. It is also used as an official language by the European Union, the Organization of American States, the Union of South American Nations, the Community of Latin American and Caribbean States, the African Union, and many other national organizations. Despite its large number of speakers, the Spanish language does not feature prominently in scientific writing, though it is better represented in humanities. Approximately 75% of scientific production in Spanish is divided into 3 thematic areas: social sciences, medical sciences, and arts/humanities. Spanish is the third most used language on the internet after English and Chinese. Some translations. English, hello. Spanish, hola. English, how are you? Spanish, ¿cómo estás? Thank you, gracias. Bye, adios. Love forever, SDC. Amar por siempre, SDC. My name is Ashwata. Mi nombre es Ashwata. Thank you.
I'm Arun from STC, and today's topic was languages, and I chose Navajo, or you can say it as Navajo. Navajo or Navajo is a southern Athabascan language of the Na-Dene family, to which it is related to language spoken across the western US of North America. Navajo is spoken primarily in the southwestern United States, especially in the Navajo. It is one of the most widely spoken Native American languages and most widely spoken north of the Mexico-United States border, with almost 170,000 Americans speaking Navajo at home as of 2011. The language has struggled to keep a healthy speaker base, although this problem has been alleviated to some extent by extensive education programs in the Navajo Nation. History. The Appalachian languages, of which Navajo is one, are thought to have arrived in the American Southwest from the north by 1500 CE, probably passing through Alberta and Wyoming. Archaeological finds considered to be Proto-Navajo have been located in the far northern New Mexico around the La Plata, Animas, and Pine Rivers, dating to around 1500. In 1936, linguist Edward Sapir showed how the arrival of the Navajo people in the new arid among the corn agriculturalists of the Pueblo area was reflected in their language by tracing the changing means of words from Proto-Athabascan to Navajo. Thanks for listening to me.
French. Basic information about French. French is a language which was born in France. French is spoken in 29 countries. Also, in some schools, as French is a subject. The language was made by Romans who ruled France in the past. Over 275 million people speak French in the world. The history of French. French is a language which was born in Gaul. Gaul was a country which was ruled by the Roman Empire in 500 BC or BCE. Gaul was a combination of countries France, Belgium, Germany, and the northern Italy. In the same century, Gaul ended and the three countries it was named as France. Later on, Germany got independence from France, and later on, the Belgium got independence from Germany. Now, all the three countries' official language is French, and it is decided that French was born in France. All this ended in 1830. These are the French alphabets. French also has 26 alphabets just like English, and they are written in the same way. Thank you.
Very nice.
Very nice interactive session and very informative. Hope you enjoy our PPTs and type in the comment section which is your favorite language. Thank you. Bye.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye.